If you're not drinking this, then you might be way more dehydrated than you think. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and these hydration booster electrolyte sticks from Nutrazul have really helped me to stay hydrated. This variety pack comes with 30 single serve sticks in 3 refreshing flavors, such as acai berry, which is rich and fruity, lemon lime, which is super refreshing, and passion fruit, which tastes tropical and light. Each stick is packed with 8 essential nutrients, including 500 milligrams of sodium, 390 milligrams of potassium, and vitamin B3, B5, B6, B12, and C. I mix one stick with 8 to 16 ounces of water, I stir it up or shake it up, and it's ready to go. I love that it's low sugar with just 11 grams per stick. The flavors are so good, I actually enjoy drinking water now, and switching between the 3 flavors really keeps it from getting boring. It's such an easy, tasty, and effective way to stay hydrated and energized, and I've really noticed a difference since I started using them regularly. And that's just my point of view.